Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Beef Milanesa. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make really easy beef Milanesa, which is just breaded beef, but we're gonna be making it low carb style, so we're gonna be using pork panko and coconut flour instead of breadcrumbs and regular flour. These 2 versions, one is going to include a steak and one is going to include ground beef. Now, both of these versions are absolutely delicious, but they're made just a little bit differently to make the best crust that you can possibly get on this Milanesa. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our steak. I am using a ribeye. You can use whatever kind of steak that you want, but I like to use some with some marbling in it. It just makes the taste really, really good when you bread it. I put it on a piece of plastic food wrap, and we're gonna take another piece of the plastic food wrap, stretching it over the steak. I'm gonna take a metal meat mallet and we are going to pound the steak so that it is as flat as it possibly can be. This also tenderizes the meat, so it makes it really, really good when you cook it. To coat my steak, I have some coconut flour. I like to use Bob's Red Mill for the coconut flour. That's gonna be instead of our regular all-purpose. For my breading, I'm using the Pork King Good pork panko. This is absolutely delicious, and I like the Italian seasoning one. And we also have an egg for our egg wash. I'm gonna take some salt and put into each of the layers. And what we're gonna do is we are going to take our tenderized steak, which you can see is now really, really thin, and we're gonna throw it into the coconut flour first and give that a coating of the coconut flour. Make sure that it's covering any spot on the steak. Shake off any excess, throw it into the egg wash. Shake off the excess from the egg. And then throw it into the pork panko. Make sure that the pork panko is covering the entire steak. And that is it for our steak. Now let's move on to the ground beef. For our ground beef, I'm gonna be using the coconut flour, and I don't wanna waste, so I'm just gonna use the same coconut flour I was using before. Again, it's all beef, so it's totally fine to use the same as well. Although you usually would be doing this if it was just one or the other, so add the coconut flour. Then add your pork panko. And we're gonna mix this all together. I'm also gonna add some salt and just combine that together. And now for our ground beef, I'm gonna take the ground beef and I'm gonna use about this much. It's about 1/4 cup. We're going to flatten it out, and this is 85% lean ground beef. I'm going to press it into my flour, coconut flour, and the pork panko mixture. And we are going to continue to press in our ingredients. Make sure to fix that coating again and just flip it over, pressing the ingredients into the ground beef. You want your ground beef to be as thin as possible. And once it's completely coated in this thin, it is ready to be fried. I'm heating a nonstick pan to medium heat, and I'm gonna put some avocado oil directly into the pan to heat up. I recommend using whatever high heat point oil you want. You can also use beef tallow if you have that. That works really great for this as well. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. First, we are going to cook our steak. I'm just gonna take the steak, and all you literally are going to do is just lay it away from you into the pan. We're gonna cook this for 2 minutes on one side. The great thing about this coating is not only is it low carb and keto friendly, but it is really, really close to the flour and breadcrumb coating that you're looking for in Milanesa. Gives it that crunch, coats really well, and most importantly, it is just as delicious. My timer is done for the 2 minutes and we're ready to flip. I'm gonna take some tongs and we're gonna flip away from us again. That way you don't get any oil splattering on you. We're gonna cook it on the other side for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes are up, we're gonna flip it another time to cook on the other side. If I'm not mistaken, I think another name for this would be like a country fried steak. Although I've never had a country fried steak, I would imagine it's basically like this. It's a breaded steak, right? Let me know down in the comments below. To cook our ground beef Milanesa, it's basically the same. I'm gonna throw, again, some clean olive oil. I'm gonna throw some clean avocado oil into the pan to heat it up. Now that our oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna take the ground beef and lay it outward into the pan. I wanna take a spatula that has holes in it like this, and I am just going to gently push the oil onto the top of our Milanesa. I'll spread this out like that. You wanna make sure that the oil is coating the top as well. We're gonna let this cook for about a minute on one side. I'm gonna take my spatula, we're gonna scoop it under our Milanesa and flip it to cook on the other side. My Milanesa is done. Let's set it aside and we're ready to do our taste test. Here are our 2 Milanesas. Although this is more, I guess, like a country fried steak. Again, let me know down in the comments below. Most importantly, it is a great keto dish. Super crunchy top. Just listen to this. Super crunchy. Let's take a bite of our steak and do a little taste test here. Take a look at that. You got that nice fat in there. The steak is nice and medium, crunchy outside. Cheers. Pair that with some cauliflower mashed potatoes. I'll link my cauliflower mashed potato video down in the description below. It would go perfectly with this steak. Now for our ground beef. It's just so comforting. I probably make the ground beef one more than I make the steak version. Can't wait to try it again. Cheers, guys. Again, so delicious. I like to use the ground beef one and pair it with some cauliflower fried rice. It's just such a great dinner. Super easy to make. Give some variety to your keto diet. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.